About 2 minutes from now, you will know more about auto insurance than most people do. Okay, not a claim to fame, but it can save you a lot of pain and perhaps a huge amount of money, especially if you own cars like these. With auto insurance, it's like buying two contracts. One for liability, which insures you if you're sued for auto-related damages or injuries you might cause, and the other part is for physical damage to your vehicle. That means accidents, fire, theft, hailstorms, vandalism, or having a tree fall on it, like that. Some things to think about. One is actual cash value. Say you're driving an Acura that's 2 years old. If it's totaled tomorrow in a covered accident, perish the thought, most insurance would pay the Blue Book value for a used 2-year-old Acura. A few insurers offer agreed value. That means you will know in advance of a covered loss how much you will be paid for the car. That's because you set the value of your car based on what you paid and its condition. Question to ask: where can you get your car repaired? After a covered accident, you'd think you can have your car repaired wherever you wish, but most auto insurance doesn't work like that. They may only pay for work at a certain shop, or pay only a set labor rate. And what about the parts used for repairs? Does your insurer pay for genuine Corvette parts or generic aftermarket parts? Some insurance will allow you to choose the facility yourself and genuine parts. If your car is out of commission after an accident, does the policy pay for a rental? That's called loss of use coverage. Most policies pay only a set rate. So much for rentals per day for so many days. Other policies may provide an overall amount for rentals, and you can decide how to use it and on what type of car. Now for the liability part of the coverage. The tendency is to go with relatively low limits of liability in the auto policy, but that can cost you dearly, especially if you have substantial assets. Think about how much you have to lose if you're found liable of bodily injury to another person due to an auto accident. You don't want to skimp on your liability coverage, nor should you skimp on the uninsured motorist coverage. If you're injured by an uninsured driver and you're out of work for a long time, how far does your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage go? I'm guessing not far. I'm guessing you didn't buy your car by simply picking out the cheapest or pointing to one at random. And I'm guessing you won't be buying your auto insurance like that either, now that you know how it really works.